Stay tuned to this week's update on the Investor Group cold and dry storage facility. The trusses in the cold and dry storage area are virtually completed. The roofing is coming together beautifully, as the workers put in a great deal of effort to complete the project by the end of December. All the steel trusses, located above the cold and dry storage area, have been fully fixed and will be roofed in barely a week's time. The pillars have also been set in place. Thanks for listening to this week's updates.
Investor Group, developing communities and making a difference.